Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Bitcoin update for Tuesday 8th of September. Now weeks are in here, weekdays are in here, and it's not the weekend anymore, but Bitcoin is still under a great resistance right now, and all it's doing moving sideways. Nothing much is happening right now, and there are good chances that we might be looking for Bitcoin to maybe pump a little bit back up to 20,600, 20,500 during the next coming few days. But nonetheless, let me tell you one thing is that what you have to see, the bigger picture is that I've been talking about for the past few days, is that this is in a, what do you call this? It's just a support and resistance conversation right now. So support here, you got support right there, you got support right here, you came down, you broke that support, you now turn into resistance. Nonetheless, it doesn't matter if it's stay here for even 100 years, as long as you're below as long as you're below resistance, you are below resistance, and you cannot support a coin that is below resistance. You need to support the coin when it's bouncing off the support level. Right, so that's exactly what I want you to understand, that there's a little bit of price compression coming in. By the way, you can even say that this is a little bit of a squeeze happening right there, and you can have, actually, as a matter of fact, if you look at it, it's a descending triangle, right? And descending triangle in this case, we do have a decision coming very soon, so you guys got to be careful right now. So let me show you that decision that is coming in. So from there to there, and we take this one from there to there, so that's a little bit of a descending triangle right there. Now the maximum time we're going to have to wait is until 15th of September, which means we have 9 days to make the final decision. Now there could be a little bit of chances to break to the upside. What if you do break up? Yep, you're going to go back to where you formed that descending triangle, but that's going to take you back to, again, as I said, 20,600. But you see, going back to 20,600 doesn't mean it's bullish anyway. The best scenario is to break that resistance, is to break this bear flag at 21,500, and then I'm going to be quite confident about the movements to the upside. Even if you do go to 20,600, you can see you are still kissing the resistance, and it could be that you do go up there by Friday, and by Saturday, Sunday, you start to move down once again. Okay, and I do expect it to actually move up because of the inverted hammer that we do have on the weekly time frame. So if you look at this inverted hammer, that inverted hammer can actually make Bitcoin just move a little bit higher and then drop to the downside. So let's see what happens in the future, and that's pretty much it for this quick update on Bitcoin. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.